Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you 7 secret ways to get free Robux on mobile. It is important to note that free Robux promotion or methods that claim to provide free currency outside of official channels may be unsafe or violate Roblox terms of service. So to avoid scams, always use legitimate methods to get Robux. And to this video, I'm going to show you the safe and legitimate ways to earn Robux on mobile. So first, the Roblox affiliate program. When you share your game or a link to the Roblox website, you can earn Robux through the affiliate program. So if others sign up or purchase items to your link, you can get portions of the Robux. So how to earn it? You can just share your game link or Roblox link on social media, blogs, or other platform. For example, here I'm going to share the dress to impress on Roblox. You can just tap on the three dots icon and then tap on share and choose where to share the link. If someone purchases a game or pass the Robux after clicking your link, you earn a percentage. Second one, you can create and sell clothes or items. So if you have creative skills, you can design and sell clothes, accessories, or other items in Roblox. And you can set your price for this item, and each time someone buys your creation, you'll earn Robux. You can just use the Roblox Studio or the avatar editor to design shirt, pants, or accessories, and then sell them on Roblox Marketplace and keep a percentage of the Robux. And the next method is you can participate in Roblox events. So Roblox often hosts events where you can earn exclusive items and sometimes Robux as rewards. You can just keep an eye on their official event page and social media or even specific game. For example, the Squid Game or Dress to Impress, you can just open the game that you play and participate on the events, and some events may include Robux as a prize for completing certain challenges. Next one, you can go use the Roblox Premium subscription. So by subscribing to Roblox Premium, you can receive a monthly stipend of Robux. It's a paid service, but it is a legitimate way to get free Robux each month, in addition to other benefits like trading and selling items. So you can just subscribe to the Roblox Premium and you will receive Robux monthly based on your subscription level. Next, you can use Roblox Developer Exchange or DevEx. If you develop games or experience in Roblox, you can exchange the Robux you earn for real money using Roblox Developer Exchange program. While this requires a game to be successful, it is one of the best ways to earn Robux and turn it into real-world value. So just build and maintain popular Roblox games and earn Robux from in-game purchases and monetize your game through ads or items. As a game developer, you can also create game passes or in-game items that players can purchase with Robux. Once players buys these passes, you can earn Robux in return. And the last one, you can also use the Robux gift cards. Robux gift cards can be a great way to receive free Robux. Occasionally, promotional giveaways or rewards program may offer free gift cards or Robux codes. So you need to make sure you use legitimate sources to avoid scams. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.